Good day, viewers. Get ready to explore the intersection of technology and agriculture as we uncover the exciting agri-tech solutions for growing diverse food crops on smart tech. The Rexer 630 harvests beets with their roots intact, sending them along a conveyor equipped with a cleaning system that gently removes residual soil. Its 3-axle design and 30-ton bunker capacity allow the machine to operate at record speeds with exceptional precision. Behold, the true forest monster. Equipped with a powerful drive and a steel disc, it cuts through shrubs and trees up to 14 inches in diameter, turning them into mulch in seconds. Its belt drive ensures uninterrupted and efficient operation in harsh conditions. The Colnag potato planter plants 4 rows in a single pass. Its automatic tuber feeding system gently places them into prepared furrows, while rear closers cover the planting with soil, creating optimal conditions for growth. The new Ortomec 8000 green line glides across fields, precisely slicing lettuce and gently laying it on the conveyor. Like a surgeon with a florist touch. Sharp blades, smooth motion, automation right to the leaf tips. Machine number 06 for red cabbage works at 3.7 miles per hour and delivers up to 30 tons per hour, nearly 70 tons per hectare. A true yield monster that handles tight rows and heavy heads without flinching, cutting, lifting, and loading non-stop. The harvester carefully picks up dried onion heads from the ground using a polyurethane foam roller. Collection happens in 2 stages. First, onto a longitudinal conveyor, then a cross conveyor, and from there, straight into a truck driving alongside. A hydraulic system adjusts the feeding angle, and everything is controlled from the cabin. Fire hungrily devours the wheat, but the farmer races along the fiery edge, mowing grass right up against the flames to rob the blaze of its fuel. His tractor isn't just a machine, it's armor on wheels. The powerful front mower slices through the vegetation, creating a firebreak strip. When it comes to threshing grass seed, Lun Anhandelsbedrijf knows no equal. Imagine the power of a John Deere 2266 Extra Combine that gets the job done with ease. With a JD 820 cutter bar that's nearly 27 feet wide, this green monster handles even the largest fields with no problem. Its 255 horsepower engine and capacity of up to 20 tons per hour make it a true giant among combines. Every time it passes through a field, you can hear the seeds falling into the hopper like a harvest melody. Watch as the Ploger MKC-4TR harvests cilantro like a robotic chef in the kitchen. With a 12-foot working width and a motor that could move mountains, this harvester gets the job done faster than you can say guacamole. Thanks to the cleaning system, every grain is neatly stacked and there's virtually no waste. This green giant processes up to 5 acres per hour, so your field will be empty before you can have your morning coffee. You know, as people say, sometimes it's better to see once than to hear 10 times. And so, here it is. The planting process is so fascinating and very unusual that my advice to you is to watch carefully without taking your eyes off the screen. Wondering how to get your ditch back to its former cleanliness? Then take a look at the Humos 450, your personal ditch cleaning superhero. This amazing machine works like a real wizard to clean out all the excess debris and dirt. Forget the long and agonizing attempts to manually deal with clogs. The Humos 450 does it for you, and will do it in style. Your gutter will shine clean, and you can enjoy the results. The WV Series vegetable pickers are available in 5 working widths from 4.6 to 6.7 inches. They're also used for the 2-phase harvesting method for stable and storable onions. The machine is suitable for beginners in mechanical vegetable harvesting. The crop is gently picked up, cleaned on 2 sifting conveyors, and placed through a funnel into a swath where it is dried, thus increasing the crop's stability and storability. The machine can be perfectly adapted to the prevailing harvesting conditions thanks to the various underfeeding devices and additional optional equipment. Well, friends, get acquainted. You see the unique, innovative, self-propelled bale baron, a state-of-the-art small bale wrapping system. The machine itself is based on the same innovative design concept as the trailed model. Built with power and versatility in mind, the Marcrest will increase bale production without the need for a tractor. Be 100% sure of that. The new MidiFix 2 is a further development of the existing MidiFix, which has been on the market for several years and has earned a good reputation. The MidiFix 2 combines pressing and wrapping operations in one machine. The machine consists of a press chamber equipped with 14 symmetrical chamber rollers, which guarantee exceptionally high density and bale rotation. The MidiFix 2 is equipped with a newly developed wrapping device that ensures reliable and fast bale transfer. Combined with a fast wrapping machine equipped with a double wrapping arm, this ensures unrivaled productivity. It does not matter what product is being processed, silage, hay, or straw bales. The machine is effortless to operate and fully automatic. Imagine your Fendt 724 turning into a perfect machine for growing bulbs with the incredible Baling planting machine and Susi tracks. This cool combo doesn't just ensure performance, it makes the bulb growing process a real spectacle. Susi tracks allow the tractor to easily maneuver through fields, while Baling plants bulbs accurately and neatly, ensuring the perfect placement of each one. Stop dreaming of big harvests. Start achieving them with this fantastic technology.
That's what it's all about.
Forget old agricultural practices. Meet the revolutionary FarmWise Vulcan system. This AI wonder worker doesn't just fight weeds. It uses complex machine learning algorithms to precisely analyze each section of your field. The system, trained to select only weeds, keeps beneficial plants healthy and unharmed, minimizing the chemical impact on soil and crops. Vulcan is perfect for reducing costs by optimizing the use of herbicides and fertilizers. Thanks to Vulcan, every decision is now data-based, significantly improving yield. Need a helper in bale collection who doesn't know fatigue and sluggishness? Meet the G1 F125 Combi from GoVile, your new hero in the fields. This master of bale binding is equipped with proprietary Balenfanger and Balenstopper systems, making each bale not just packed, but perfectly processed. From now on, every bale will be as neat as a birthday present wrapped with love. Introducing the Loftness XLB10 Grain Bagger, your new reliable assistant in the field. This machine is specially designed to automate the grain bagging process, ensuring not only speed, but also accuracy of work. The AI-based control system adapts to various working conditions, and the unique bag-filling technology guarantees that every kilogram of grain is preserved. Thanks to its autonomy and the ability to program routes, this machine makes grain harvesting efficient and less labor-intensive, allowing you to focus on other aspects of farming. Your new agricultural ally, the Terra Variant 435, is a true technical marvel with a 435 horsepower engine and a tank capacity of 4,238 gallons for manure application. Designed for skilled fertilization, this lightweight giant, weighing 36,817 pounds, is equipped with a unique fully rotating 3-point mechanism and advanced suspension, ensuring stability on slopes. With low fuel consumption and a hydrostatic drive for economy and smooth movement up to 4,374 yards per hour, as well as an intuitive Homer smart drive control system, this equipment provides the highest efficiency and precision, reducing soil impact with each use. When a mower is needed that can handle any task, the Twiga T80 from the Spearhead Contractor Profile is your reliable ally. This powerful machine is ready to work in fields and along roads, turning thickets into perfectly trimmed areas. With an arm reach of up to 26 feet, the mighty Twiga T80 reaches the most inaccessible places, like a real acrobat in the arena. Regardless of conditions, this mower demonstrates precision and power that impress. It's time to turn your fields and roadsides into a model of order and neatness. Trust this task to the Twiga T80. The Birdie Picker attachment for tractors shreds tough branches into fine chips. Its powerful blades handle any wood, leaving the field clean and ready for replanting. The Super Bio Chopper Compact chops up tomato remnants, turning them into mulch right in the greenhouse. Its compact design and powerful blades quickly dispose of old plants, preparing the soil for the next crop. Lightweight and maneuverable rakes collect hay with exceptional precision, forming it into neat windrows. Their front placement allows the operator to monitor the entire process, creating even rows and ensuring the fieldwork proceeds smoothly. The Abimac front rakes ensure fast and high-quality work in the field. Easily adjustable front rakes gather leftover hay or straw into neat rows, maintaining cleanliness and order. The lightweight backpack frame of the Still Sprayer, its powerful turbine and adjustable spray range make it easy to quickly treat trees, bushes, or crops, saving solution while covering up to 30 feet with a single motion. The 1,600-liter front tank works with a Lieb VT trailed sprayer, featuring booms of up to 39 meters and automation that keeps them just inches from the crop. The solution distribution is controlled with pinpoint accuracy through Boom Control Pro, not a drop wasted. Track Picks by Sweer makes it seem like the machine does everything, but your hands are still in the frame. The conveyor moves smoothly with minimal product loss, but manual control is essential, especially when you want your harvest to look showroom ready. Double Master 2 is a true dance of threshers and fans, with each phase tuned to absurd precision. A 3-stage cleaning system, soft drum, and on-the-fly adjustments ensure dry beans enter the tank whole, clean, and without losses. This is the Cabbage Special Forces unit with electric drive. It undercuts heads from below, lifts them onto the belt, and trims in one smooth move. Compact, maneuverable, and ideal for small fields, its semi-automatic harvesting system preserves quality and keeps up the pace, even in tight rows. The Oxbow 2228 is power times 2, dual-purpose equipment for hay and grain, built on 20 years of Oxbow expertise. A sturdy frame and reliable components make it perfect for tough conditions, ideal for those who won't compromise on feed harvesting. The FM World Harvester devours sugarcane whole, fast, precise, uncompromising. Sectional blades, sorting and unloading systems all work like Swiss clocks, delivering clean cuts with minimal losses and maximum yield in the bin. A pumpkin revolution without hose or aching backs? Sounds like a fairy tale, right? Now that's Vogel at work. A platform with a conveyor gently collects zucchinis and pumpkins, sorting them on the move. Blades cut the stems, the produce travels up the belt, and the operator just watches. Automation meets delicacy, and the harvest stays whole and safe. The double knife from Busatis is like a razor blade built into a mini tank. Mounted on the compact Wiedemann 1160, it operates quietly and cleanly. Two counter-moving blades work in sync, preventing clogs and ensuring precise cuts. This mower doesn't rip. It respects the grass. The enclosed cab of the Fiat Agri throws straw chips into the field, blanketing the soil in a layer of golden softness. A distributor with an adjustable auger evenly spreads the material, creating bedding or moisture-retaining cover. Multiple machines work in sync, each with a large bunker and pneumatic feed system. This mounted equipment levels the soil to template specifications, forming raised beds with precise geometry and a central slot for drip irrigation. An adjustable blade and side deflectors shape the bed, while the unit's weight compacts the soil for optimal layout. When it comes to mowing natural grass, the Steer 8300 from Tünter Agricultural Services is an engineering marvel. This tractor handles large areas with ease thanks to its 20-foot working width and 320 horsepower. The state-of-the-art control system and ultra-sharp blades ensures that every bit of grass is cut perfectly. Imagine your lot transformed in minutes. Just imagine a ridging machine and a plastic paver in one super combo. Kenco's 2-row super combo is a real find for farmers. With a working width of up to 72 inches and up to 6 miles per hour, it makes the job of laying beds and plastic in half the time. In Hanshaw and Keepling Fields in Florida, this monster handles tasks with ease and grace. Imagine how your labor in the field becomes a pleasure thanks to this powerful helper. Meet your friends, the new tree transplanter from K&K Enterprises. This wizard works with your compact and subcompact tractors with ease, turning tree transplanting into child's play. But that's not all. It's compatible with mini loaders, fork. Well, now you're looking at the self-propelled double-row cabbage harvester for industrial processing from ASA Lift. This modernized machine is equipped with a proven and durable feeding unit. Driven torpedoes guide the cabbage to the feeding belts, which then grab the grown product by the stem and guide it to the specially hardened cutting unit. Fast, convenient, simple, and most importantly, reliable. The self-propelled 3- or 4-row ploger hopper harvester was developed with the customer in mind, harvesting potatoes without compromise. This machine excels in terms of the total sieving area. With the chassis outside the sieving blade, the flow of potatoes is free of obstructions and does not narrow. Thanks to the variety of possible cleaning modules, this allows you to build a harvester to suit your requirements. The best hopper capacity in the region allows you to organize your logistics more efficiently. Low transport speeds combined with the lowest possible drop and the unique soft pocket elevator guarantee comfortable handling of the potatoes. A robot named Ripa is a robot for intelligent sensing and precision operations that can recognize weeds and foreign objects in a given sector of a field using highly sensitive sensors. The unit weighs 550 pounds and is solar-powered. Thanks to a set of these sensors and a sophisticated algorithm, Ripa can already distinguish weeds from cultivated plants, as well as define foreign materials, stones, pieces of glass, or metal. Further developments will give it the ability to remove weeds and foreign materials with 99% accuracy. You're looking at the Zern D96 cross-seed drill. Cross-sowing means that plants have the same growth conditions in all sowing rows. Sowing with a transverse seeder is carried out by periodically stopping and sowing across the direction. The test results are therefore not affected by the tramline edge effect. The tractor-mounted drill is equipped with an extendable frame with a hydraulically lifted coulter system. The seed is fed separately to each row via a store table. The cross-seed drill is automatically controlled from the tractor. Zern seed drills are designed according to the modular principle. The coulter system and other technical equipment is fully adapted to the needs and wishes of each individual customer. To all fans of agricultural machinery, we present the Tulip Multi-Disc 300XL. This titan of field work, with a working width of 9.8 feet, revolutionizes soil preparation. A true robot in the world of tractors, it eases any task, making field work not only productive, but also exciting. Operating this multi-disc is like piloting a spaceship, but without the need for astronaut training. Easy to use and powerful in operation. The Tulip Multi-Disc 300XL is a real find for any agronomist. If you're looking for a real giant for seeding, here it is, the Primera DMC from Amazon. Imagine a seeder that can stride widely across fields. It doesn't just seed, but it does it with chisels tested over 100,000 times. As for methods, the Primera DMC easily handles both direct seeding and mulched or plowed. The perfect choice for those who want to reduce costs, but increase productivity on vast lands. Imagine a machine that can make rocks run away in fear. Here it is, the Refinator RGV 300H. Don't let rocky trials become your constant headache. With a working width of 10 feet and an innovative hydraulic system, this giant quickly turns hard rocks into useful soil, easing your work and speeding up field preparation for the planting campaign. Use the Refinator to easily prepare the land and turn your agricultural efforts into fertile fields with the potential for the harvest you've always dreamed of. This hand attachment from Couple does two jobs in one pass, mowing and swathing. Whether it's preparing feed for livestock or clearing the field, the multitasker handles it perfectly, ensuring the ideal condition of your cultivated land. And the most interesting thing is that regardless of the size of your field, the Couple multitasker will help you get the job done faster and easier while maintaining high quality for future feed. Meet the Pitbull Rake from Tubeline. Not just a rake, but a real guard for your field. This agricultural warrior is ready to take on all the heavy work of hay harvesting. Like a true pit bull, it grabs any task by the scruff of the neck and doesn't let go until complete victory. Thanks to its incredible power and endurance, the Pitbull Rake makes the harvesting process not only efficient, but also surprisingly easy. Your fields will be quickly cleared without extra effort, and you can enjoy a well-deserved rest. Think of the Kuhn OptiWrap models OWR 6000 and OWS 6500 as professional wrappers in the farming world. These bale wrapping machines work not only quickly, but also extremely neatly. Forget how you ever stored hay before. Now, every bale will be wrapped with jeweler's precision, protecting your harvest from the weather and time. Just place the bale on the conveyor and let the machine work its magic. Thanks to thoughtful technology, you can relax knowing your hay is in good hands. This equipment transforms garden clippings and crop residues into perfect mulch in a single motion. High-quality blades work precisely and quickly, leaving a smooth layer that improves soil structure and protects it from erosion. This transverse weeder, controlled by a PLC system, independently adjusts the wheels for each section. It maintains precise working depth, and automation ensures smooth transitions between standby and operation modes. The Vermeer 504 picks up grass clippings or straw and turns them into dense bales in just a few passes. The machine picks up the material from the ground and feeds it into the baling chamber, where a system of augers and rollers compresses the material to the desired density. When the bale is formed, an automatic strapping system secures it with netting or twine, and then the rear lid opens to unload the finished bale carefully. The Guaresi single-row conveyor harvester gently grabs the tomato bushes, cuts them off at the base, and feeds them onto the conveyor belt. The plants pass through a vibrating separator that removes leaves and small impurities. The ripe tomatoes are separated and sent to the sorting table, where the final cleaning takes place manually or automatically. A Green Alley Architect, a universal crown master. This tractor-powered pruner works right on the streets. It straightens, shapes, trims so that the trees become sculptures. It approaches each tree with respect but firmness, not a single stray branch. The skid loader splits logs up to 30 inches long like a hot knife through butter. With its hydraulic drive, it can process tons of wood per day, leaving behind neatly arranged firewood. Holtz's nut wizard isn't just an attachment, it's wheel-mounted magic. It fits on a lawnmower and picks up nuts, acorns, and cones like a vacuum. Lightweight, maneuverable, gentle on grass, and easy on your back. Harvesting becomes a walk in the park. When the field turns into a swamp and mud flies sky high, the Sonalica just growls louder. A 50 horsepower diesel engine, high clearance, deep treaded tires. It plows, cultivates, and hauls anything you hitch to it. It fears neither puddles nor sticky soil. To it, it's all just a playground. Mikhail wraps round bales with jeweler-like precision. A height-adjustable hydraulic platform spins the bale at up to 30 RPM, while the dual-wrap system applies 2 layers of film simultaneously. A tension control sensor ensures airtight wrapping, even with varying bale densities. Performance, up to 70 bales per hour. Just look at the Kioritz, a cool machine on wheels that makes spraying in the vineyards a real pleasure. This cool and stylish driver-operated machine maneuvers between the rows of grapes like a superhero among agricultural machinery, ensuring an even and efficient coverage. With its quiet, powerful engine and precise spraying system, every bush gets its fair share of care. The heavy-duty Power 48 professional olive-picking comb with a 480W brushless motor makes the job easier and more profitable while preserving the tree, its fruit, and branches. Lightweight and easy to handle, it's suitable for all varieties of olives. The productive technique allows you to harvest up to 8 times faster than manually. Its ergonomic design provides exceptional comfort and ease of use, particularly thanks to models with 2 supports, a fixed length of 7.5 feet and a telescopic height from 7.2 to 9.8 feet. In terms of power, multiple batteries are available. Power Pack M and L for up to a day of autonomy, as well as a 12-volt converter. The Sleipner E550 transport system is designed for excavators with lifting capacities from 401 to 565 tons. Sleipner carts allows you to move hydraulic excavators safely and faster. Speeds up to 6.2 miles per hour and save your undercarriage wear. It's easy to operate. Just roll on the carts, turn around, put the bucket on the truck bed, and go. The system, by the way, is simple in every way and is now being used in mining operations around the world and other environments where high mobility is essential. Also, this video was shot during training and commissioning, where the Sleipner E550 was used to haul a Komatsu model PC5500. How about adding some magic to your fieldwork? Meet the Elho V-Twin 600 pickup tedder, which will make your crops dance to its rhythm. This field monster collects the harvest with unprecedented ease and precision. Speed, power, and yes, elegance in execution. That's what distinguishes the V-Twin 600. This pickup turns harvesting into art. With it, each move wins you more time, energy, and of course, money. So, ready to raise the stakes and make your farming a real spectacle? Don't let heavy work slow down your project. The MDE Crawler C67 is ready to get to work. Equipped with a 67 horsepower engine, this crawler excavator ensures efficiency even in the most challenging situations. Its unique ability to quickly change attachments allows performing various tasks without time spent on reconfiguration. Excellent cross-country ability on soft and difficult surfaces thanks to the powerful new crawler drive makes it an ideal choice for agricultural enterprises and construction sites. Imagine equipment that will transform your approach to agricultural work. The Krone Squadro 1570 to 2000 combines innovative solutions and time-tested technologies. With the ability to change the working width from 51.5 to 65.6 feet, these rake tedders can adapt to any task. The compact design makes transportation and storage easier, and the high working speed allows for faster processing of large areas. The minimal soil contact technology preserves soil structure and prevents compaction, promoting better plant growth for the next year. With the HPX 195 Pro Push, your farm work will become so easy, you'll feel like a superhero. This commercial-grade manure spreader with hydraulic drive is a true master of its craft. With a capacity of 195 cubic feet, it moves across the field like a tank, leaving evenly spread manure in its wake. The hydraulic system ensures smooth and precise control, and the robust steel construction promises years of service. Forget manual labor, and let the HPX 195 Pro Push do all the heavy work for you, turning your labor into pleasure and your harvest into pride. An autonomous tractor navigates fields using GPS and cameras, performing tasks from plowing to planting. Driverless operation and millimeter-level precision make it a jack of all trades. The tiniest nut picker for almond trees uses vibrating technology that gently shakes the fruit off the branches, avoiding damage to the tree. The system is attached to the trunk or main branches, and the shaking process then begins. The fallen nuts are collected in wide platforms, and a special conveyor belt moves them to a special storage compartment. This Flemish wonder planter is like a gastronomic lab in the field. Bulbs are sorted, counted, planted with mathematical precision while a tractor driver sips coffee. Everything is automated, from loading to braking, with a dual screen monitoring the process. Have you seen how cotton is harvested in Brazil? A multi-row giant rolls through the field like a parade tank, sucking in fluffy white balls, and leaves perfectly cleaned rows behind. Power, might, precision. Like a combine painting with a brush. Garlic is a finicky fellow. Try pulling it out gently. But the Japanese are ahead again. A compact harvester with precise mechanics handles the job with ease. One pass, the bed's empty, the crate's full, and your back is fine. Not a machine, a lifesaver for farmers who work with brains, not just hands. The Allen Schwadlegger turns potato harvesting into a fast and flawless process. 4 rows of blades carefully unearth tubers, minimizing damage and increasing productivity with its high-speed operation. Everything hums, vibrates, and smells of clover. When Gillis hits the field, the air thickens with power. A V12 engine, 1,200 horsepower, and a cutting width of nearly 40 feet. This beast devours alfalfa like it's racing a storm. The rotary system shreds the crop into fine particles, and the conveyor feeds it into a nearby trailer. Have you ever wondered how to turn lawn care into a real art form? The JCB Fast Track 4220 with 16-meter VMO 23 gang mowers at Teal Turf Fields will show you how. With a 235 horsepower engine and speeds up to 37 miles per hour, this tractor turns even the largest fields into perfectly smooth green carpets. With a 52-foot reach, the VMO mower tackles any area in a single pass. It's time to enjoy the results when your lawn looks like a picture, and you've saved tons of time and effort. The OWR 6000 linear round bale wrapper from Kuhn provides exceptional wrapping performance with minimal film and fuel consumption. This linear wrapper is designed for demanding farmers and operators who are looking for maximum productivity and profitability in a wrapping machine. The OWR 6000 is capable of quickly wrapping round bales in various sizes, including bales of 4 and 5 feet wide and up to 6 feet in diameter. Presenting the Multipack D14, a machine that will revolutionize your hay packing. This bale packer is designed to make your work not only faster, but also exciting. Forget about monotonous collection. The Multipack D14 quickly and neatly packs bales into compact packages, ready for transport or sale. Like an efficient manager, it organizes your harvest into perfect bundles, maximizing space and reducing costs. With the Multipack D14, every bale is in its place, and every minute counts. The John Deere Feed Mixer lifts, mixes, and levels feed to make it more accessible for livestock. Side paddles collect scattered remnants, while the adjustable feed mechanism accurately delivers feed to troughs, with no waste or extra effort. While the vineyard still slumbers in the morning quiet, this pruner storms through the rows like a hairdresser with attitude, fast, precise, with an eye for a perfect harvest. It cuts mercilessly but wisely. First the tops, then the sides, and the whole vineyard looks like it just left a stylist salon in Charente. Smart, precise, robotic. The Iseki-sane plants rice in 8 rows with such meticulousness, it might have been programmed by samurai. Electronics control the process, rows are ruler straight, and the result is a stable harvest with minimal effort. How to be one step ahead in the agricultural business? Meet the Holaris AS10, the master trimmer that redefines onion processing. This machine combines the dual power of blades for neat trimming and vibrating motors to precisely feed each onion head through a vibrating grid. What makes the AS10 unique is its ability to guarantee a clean cut without damage. Thanks to the clever design of the blades and grids, customizable to fit any size onion. Thanks to the easy change of vibrating grids, preparing onions from small seedlings to shallots becomes a simple and efficient task. At the same time, the Grimm line provides a continuous product feed to the AS10, increasing overall productivity. You can see a masterpiece of farm equipment from ETS, the leader in strip till and fertilizer application. Why should this equipment be on your farm? Because the manufacturer of this equipment sets new standards in efficiency, increasing soil productivity and your income. Each machine is built for the maximum, from performance in the field to unrivaled durability and ease of operation. See how easily and efficiently it works to improve soil health and provide all the nutrients your soil needs. The Grimm Prios 440 is characterized by its modular design, which offers a wealth of customization possibilities and provides a high level of operating comfort. Thanks to its unique design with goose drawbar, intermediate frame, and separate lifting mechanism, this machine allows you to work the soil with any standard tool. At the same time, you can apply fertilizer, granules, furrow dressing, and liquid fertilizer, and plant potatoes at the same time. The Grimm Prios 440 is a true multifunctional assistant for your farm, which makes your work in the field more efficient and convenient. Joanna 5 Premium is the newest model in the series of combines in the same name, which is designed especially for those customers who need a specific machine for processing tall bushes. This machine excels in a variety of berry plantations with row spacing of 11.5 feet or more. The Joanna 5 Premium model is especially designed for harvesting chokeberries, rose hips, and other crops that can be even up to 10 feet tall. Thanks to the longer cross conveyor as well as the longer shaker, this combine is characterized by increased productivity, and at the same time, it does not damage the bushes themselves. Thanks to the modern hydraulic system, this combine can be equipped with rear swivel wheels and a side leveler. Discover the master of mechanical weeding, the TerraTech holder with Crest Cult fingers. This innovative tool is designed for those who appreciate the beauty and health of their vegetable garden. Thanks to its special fingers, it ensures that the soil between plants is gently loosened, effectively reducing the number of weeds without harming your lettuces and other vegetable crops. It's not just a convenience, it's a revolution in plant care. Weeding is no longer a tedious chore, but a quick and pleasant process that gives you the satisfaction of working with the soil and taking care of your green corner. Forget standard grape picking. The Oxbow 6030 has arrived to revolutionize the way vineyards work. From steep slopes to challenging terrain, the 6030 easily tackles any challenge thanks to its adaptive design and high-capacity buckets. Whether you need a 3-row or 4-row sprayer, or a front tool holder, the 6030 is customizable for any task. With this multifunctional powerhouse, you'll not only increase your efficiency, but also improve the quality of your grapes, making every future bottle of wine a true masterpiece. How can technology transform your farm? Meet Robot 1, a revolutionary robot equipped with 14 cameras and a dual GPS antenna. It's ideal for large plots and effectively combats weeds, making manual weeding a thing of the past. With Scan and Act, the Robot 1 automatically tends to the first 100 meters of the field, keeping the plants in perfect condition. It not only removes unwanted weeds, but also collects data, creating an accurate map of each plant's location for precise treatment later. Give Robot 1 the power to simplify the care of your crops, bringing innovation to your farm and increasing its productivity. Are you already familiar with the state-of-the-art TrackX control system? This thing is a true master of control that will cooperate perfectly with your machinery. The thing is, the system is equipped with RTK precision to follow the machine perfectly, both in straight lines and curves, making it easy to control and shortening your work time. And the best part is that whatever your job, you only need an ISOBUS screen. So forget about a number of extra screens or boxes in the tractor. everything can be simple and straightforward. The Vervet Machinery Q621 self-propelled beet harvester has its name for a reason. The Q in the name means that the machine has 4 wheels, and the 6 indicates that the harvester harvests 6 rows of beets in one pass. And the 21 at the end indicates that the hopper of this machine holds 21 tons. The CS beet cutter is installed in the nose, and the heart of the machine is a powerful DAF PACCAR MX390 engine with 530 horsepower. And to ensure that the beets get to the storage or processing area without any problems, a loader such as the DeWolf R7050 can often help. Don't believe that foam can fight weeds? Well, you should. The Italian development Chiomone has passed testing and hit the market. It covers weed roots with thick foam, like an agronomic dessert. No chemicals, just pressure, temperature, and brilliant physics. A single-row machine grabs green onions and neatly lays them on a conveyor, where 2 people on the platform barely keep up filling the boxes. Everything's smooth, no overload. You watch and realize, when the machine works, people don't get tired, and not a single onion feather is lost. Whether you're working with silage or hay, on flat or hilly terrain, Pottinger hit tedders from Pottinger deliver perfect results everywhere. The innovative Dynatech rotor technology ensures the cleanest possible spreading and maximum forage protection. The working widths of the 4 HIT HT models 28.2, 34.75, 41.65, and 55.77 feet guarantee maximum impact force. Despite the large working width, the power required for tedding is still low. Thanks to the trail design, the tractor does not need any lifting power. With the HIT HT tedders, small tractors can work large areas of land. This is a seedling transplanting machine with a rotor system with clamps, which is designed for transplanting bare root grape shoots, cuttings, both for flat and sloping land. I'd also like to point out right away that the TH100 from Spaperi is an incredibly versatile, flexible, and highly productive machine. This machine is essential for precision transplanting, which requires cross-checking the straight and diagonal lines of the planting pattern for the control units for connecting the machines to GPS, RTK, and automatic tractor steering systems. Evrard is once again defining the future of agricultural technology with Meteor R Active, a trailed sprayer that combines innovation and functionality. With its advanced design and compact frame, the sprayer promises high efficiency and ease of operation. With Delta Force booms up to 118 feet or Palmier aluminum booms up to 148 feet, the technique provides a wide range of applications. Integration with auto-terrain and active slant systems ensures precise terrain following, while a unique load transfer system optimizes performance even in the most challenging conditions. With the new PPI continuous circulation system and the smart 7-inch command box display for control, the Meteor R Active sets new standards in spraying. In a year of using Monarch Mark V electric tractors, like those at Constellation to Kalen Vineyard, a farm can become a model of sustainability. These emission-free machines not only protect the planet, but also increase efficiency through autonomous features. The introduction of the Mark V can reduce fuel costs, reduce the need for manual labor, and ensure precise tasks from planting to harvesting. The use of these tractors in a prestigious vineyard emphasizes the reliability and ability to improve the quality of the iconic wines, making the whole process greener and more efficient. Meet the ace among planters, the modified Garmach planter, the dream of every garlic farmer. This mechanical machine is not only for garlic, but also for onions, beans, saffron, gladiolus, and other tubers, making it a versatile tool for small and medium-sized farms. The secret to the efficiency of the technique? Simplicity. Plus, it comes with a set of chains with different diameter cups welded to them, 0.86, 1.1, and 1.4 inches for precision and planting flexibility. Are you ready to take your fit to the next level? Are you interested in how the magic of modern agricultural technology packs 59 feet of efficiency into a compact format in seconds? Meet the Seraphin Ultiso S18, a 2021 single-disc planter that unfolds masterfully for transportation. Double-folding this cool agro-innovative marvel transforms it from a 59-foot-wide working machine to a transport-friendly format of just 19.6 feet. The video clearly demonstrates this process in rapid succession, but the impression of the transformation is lasting. The Mengel SF300 Combine Harvester is the benchmark for convenience and efficiency in the agricultural industry. Don't be surprised, but in addition to its compact dimensions and clever design, the machine is capable of delivering excellent results in the field. In the latest version, this machine is equipped with a rear hopper, which increases its capacity and simplifies the harvesting process. In addition, the integration of 4 weight sensors allows for accurate measurement of the weight of each corn sample area, which is an invaluable plus in precision farming. With these innovations, the SF300 not only delivers high productivity, but also provides farmers with accurate data for yield analysis, making each season more predictable and profitable. Meet the true all-terrain vehicle, a machine designed specifically for working in extreme conditions, such as marshes and difficult terrain. The H0 system, designed for windrowers, features a track system that not only provides optimum clearance to the cutter bar, but also maintains the necessary ground contact for stable operation. The 30-inch wide tracks and 27.5-inch axle height ensures that the machine maintains the perfect balance between off-road capability and efficiency, making it ideal for demanding agricultural operations. The 9000 series Roll Caterpillar tracks provide added stability and reliability in the toughest conditions. KWS, together with the University of Göttingen and the Institute for Sugar Beet Research, have decided to tackle weeds in a new way with robots. As part of the project Future Live, they tested robotic systems to combat pesky weeds in sugar beet fields. It sounds like science fiction, but it's reality. To think about it, robots that make sure our beets are healthy and weed-free. Things like this not only make farmers' lives easier, but also make agriculture more planet-friendly. In agriculture, where labor is always in short supply and costs are rising, many farmers want their tractors to be more than just tractors. They want them to be able to perform the functions of a combine harvester. It's for such needs that BCS has developed a new product, the Reaper Binder, with front control on the tractor. This device transforms an ordinary tractor into a versatile machine that can not only plow the land, but also harvest it. Easy to operate and efficient, this device opens up new possibilities for farmers, helping them to optimize resources and increase productivity in the fields. Forget the old way of packaging. The Compress 120 from Yearly Machina makes rolls weighing from 992 to 2,205 pounds with just the press of a button. This technological marvel doesn't just pack, but does it with amazing precision and speed. Imagine how much time and effort you'll save thanks to this powerful device, with adjustable packing speed and the ability to automatically adjust by weight. The Zurn 110 is a combine harvester, and it's so compact that it looks like it could fit in your garage. It's ideal for those who want a clean, unadulterated grain harvest. This machine is easy to operate and does not require complicated setup, which is especially appreciated by breeders and small experimental farms. Moreover, there's no need to worry about transportation. Thanks to its lightweight and compact dimensions, the Zurn 110 can be easily moved between fields, even if they are far apart. And thanks to its modular design, this combine harvester can be customized to suit any needs and wishes. Egg-Seed is ideal for preparing sandy soils for carrots, using innovative technology to increase efficiency. The robot is equipped with a precision control system that analyzes soil characteristics and determines optimal cultivation parameters. Its tools, such as cultivators and rippers, penetrate to the specified depth, effectively mixing and improving soil structure. The Cavalli & Cavalli stone roller is like a steamroller over chaos. It crushes, compacts, and buries stones, turning a field into a flat canvas ready for sowing. A powerful rotor in an oil bath works tirelessly in dust and rock, asking only for fuel and respect. Carrots no longer need to be pulled by hand. Just let the Verbruggen warm up and it'll pull, clean, and stack the root vegetables faster than you can say vitamin A. You don't take part in the harvest, you conduct it. When you need to transplant a tree, not as a seedling, but already fully grown, Damcon Tech steps in. A huge rounded shovel embraces the tree with its roots, digs it up undamaged, and relocates it, like a gentle giant replanting a living thing. In this video, all the advantages of the self-propelled spraying machine series, Horst Lieb 6.300 to 7.300 PT, are presented in person. The first of these is the stainless steel tank with a capacity of 7,400 liters. The ergonomic front cabin of the Class brand is also worth highlighting, as well as stability and comfort thanks to the cross connection at the level of the suspension system, which avoids the phenomenon of rocking back and forth. This equipment has a powerful 310 horsepower FPT engine, equipped with 3 variable flow pumps, one of which drives the oversized motor wheels, whose power has been increased by 30% compared to previous models. And most importantly, you get reliable and precise application thanks to the proven Horst boom. And what's more, the machine has an automatic nozzle change system that ensures quality spraying regardless of travel speed. Friends, are you ready to welcome a shiny new defender against feathered troublemakers? Yes, I'm talking about laser bird repellers from Bird Control Group. Wondering how to keep your crops or solar panels safe from birds without having to disguise yourself as a scarecrow in a scary costume? The solution has been found, and you can see it on your screens right now. These lasers are not just colorful toys, but the result of years of research and the greatest minds tired of unwanted gifts from birds right on their property. The GF400 is the farmer's multi-tool for high-quality soil preparation and ridging of vegetables and potatoes. This 4-row tiller adapts to your needs, going from full tillage to ridging mode in minutes. Intensive tillage ensures optimal growing conditions for your crops, while TerraProtect protects the ground from erosion. Use the GF400 with a planting machine for simultaneous cultivation and planting. Compact the ridges with hydraulic rollers and add seeders on a lifting frame for a complete seeding solution. The GF400 turns complex tasks into simple solutions for yield and soil care. Open the door to the future of harvesting with the innovative E7000. This self-propelled harvester incorporates advanced technology to guarantee not only complete control and outstanding efficiency, but also to reduce the dust footprint to a minimum. With its impressive EcoClean cleaning system, the E7000 leads the market in cleaning volume, outperforming all competitors. Joystick controls make setup child's play. Everything is under the control of your fingers. A comfortable cab with perfect visibility and an independent floating head that precisely follows the contours of the ground make it an indispensable aid in harvesting almonds, walnuts, pecans, and hazelnuts. Not just any harvester, but your most reliable ally in the pursuit of harvesting perfection. Have you ever wondered how you can grow fresh produce right amidst the hustle and bustle of the city? Vertical farming from Vertical Field makes this possible. This outstanding method allows you to cultivate healthy and natural produce on ondoor urban farms where every square inch is utilized to its maximum potential. With the vertical arrangement of plants, the farm takes up minimal space and requires little maintenance. So, soon everyone will be able to enjoy fresh, pesticide-free vegetables and herbs from every such local farm. Meet the new Krone Squadro Model TC1570, the largest four-rotor rake on the market that doesn't just rake, but does it with flair. With a unique V-shaped frame, this rake not only amazes with its performance on areas of up to 51.5 feet wide, but also provides an incredibly smooth ride and ease of use. And if you thought that was the max, here's the Squadro TC2000, the big brother with 6 rotors and a working width of up to 62.3 feet, which promises stability and quietness in even the noisiest work. Squadro TC1570 roll widths range from 4.6 feet to 9.5 feet, while Squadro TC2000 roll widths range from 5.2 feet to 9.2 feet. Here's something you definitely haven't seen before: picking strawberries while lying down, and with neck support at that. Sounds like every gardener's dream, doesn't it? The Rohan 2 makes that dream a reality. Such an outstanding harvesting assistant can be used not only for strawberries, but also for asparagus, onions, and a host of other crops. It's also ideal for weeding work. With the Rohan 2, you can forget about endless grueling days in the sun. Now you can concentrate on your crops in comfort, avoiding back pain. This is what a real breakthrough in agricultural technology looks like. Harvesting radicchio has been made easier with Ortmec's new Radicchio Harvester Agevalator. This machine, although only half automated, makes the work of the operators in the field much easier. The workers are still involved in the process, but now they can concentrate on the quality of the harvest while the machine takes over the hard and tedious part of the work. I'll tell you this, it accelerates the process and helps to maintain high standards when harvesting your salad plant. Thank you for watching Smart Tech. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. We'll see you in the next video.